to Parade Handmade. I'm Amanda. Now, last week you might have noticed that I'd run into a bit of bother with my upload. I created a video related to my little mouse felting project, and I had moved forward and I did a lot of fast forwarding and a little bit of music added, and I think it confused the whole thing. So I uploaded it and it overlapped. The audio was overlapping, a friend of mine said to me. So I said, grand, redid it, uploaded it again. It's fine on my phone, it's just in the uploading. So I did it 4 times. At the moment it's up there in private, but overlapping still. So I just hadn't the heart between that and everything else this week to do it again. So what I'm going to do today is I shot 2 shorter little pieces related to that. So it'll probably just give you a little quick update of where I am with that, a little bit further than I was last week. So that's what I'm going to do today, nicely and snappily if I can, because what I'm doing as well is, all the usual prep for Christmas as well. So that is really, really full on at the moment. So please forgive me for this rather strange video, and I hope you enjoy it. It's going to be short and just a bit of fun, just to say hi really, and that everything's fine, and just so that you have something small to have a little squiz at. The way when you get used to looking at a thing, it's nice to actually see some kind of an input from the person that you've been following. So yeah, I hope you like it. I'll give you a little bit of a greeting at the end as well and let you know what's happening. Thanks for watching. This is my little guy. See, I've been working on him quite a bit. I could put another little female mouse up here or something else that he's distracted by. But what I'm thinking of, he's an adventurer. He's on the top of a thistle. He's looking across the field, a teasel or a thistle. This is my plan. I am going to put on, this is a nice color that I thought would work for a little satchel. So he's off on his adventures and he has his lunch in his bag. So I'm going to do, this is my plan, a little bag handle there and have his little satchel kind of swinging behind him. Must be coming out from underneath. So Now I had to run ahead with the video because I was running out of space on my phone. This is where the tech wizardry would come in handy. I'm a little bit techy, but I'm not really. So, but you get the gist. I'll put a little hat on him. I was changing my mind a few times about the colours, so I decided to go with this. I was trying to get it so that it would stand out, but it not look like some green grass, and I wanted to do natural. I didn't want it to match the bag. I wanted to do all the possibilities. And I actually tried white to begin with, thinking, you know, on the lines of a white hanky, etc. But anyway, I'll work on that, and I might put a little flower on it or something for the crack. And there you go. That's my little mousey. I hope you like that. It's kind of cute, isn't it? So now, there you have it. I hope you found something in there that was kind of fun. I would love to have more time at the moment to do that, but I don't seem to be able to squeeze it in. And maybe I should even do for 20 minutes, but it's hard to split your mind between so many different things during the day. So I did another project as well in the last video, you might have noticed, and it was the Halloween project. So I have some of that footage still. I may create, if I get a tiny bit of time, create another little video related to that and put it up, just because it's funny just to start a thing and then to leave it hanging there. So yeah, I might try to do that between now and next week, but I don't want to, you know, promise anything. So I'll tell you now, good luck with your stuff, whatever you're doing, and keep the brakes on a little bit and enjoy yourself. And I hope to see you soon. And yeah, enjoy your week. Bye.